Hello everyone, this is my very first web automation I have automated in Power Automate, which covers all the exception handling and configuration part. So let's see what things I have covered in this web automation. We are using Excel to storing the data and Chrome as a web browser. Now bot is logging to ACME process by using my credentials. Once it is successfully logged in, it will navigate to work items and it will scrap all the data from all the pages. Now as we can see, bot scraping data from all the pages. After scraping the data, bot will filter out data which is required for this process. In this process, we are using WI4 to download monthly report of the vendor. So this is vendor's WIID which will use to scrap the some information of the vendor. Now bot has extracted tax ID from the vendor's page. Now it will navigate to download report page where it will enter the vendor tax ID and download all 12 months report. As we can see now bot is downloading all months report. Also, it will check if report is available or not. If report is not available, it will skip that step and move to the next month. Once all the reports has been downloaded into local folder, it will store into the vendors folder and merge all months report into master file. That Excel will be uploaded into ACME page. It will enter the vendor's tax ID, the year to upload the report, and it will select the report file where it is located. Now we get the confirmation ID. Bot will navigate to the work item page where it will update the work items. In the add comment page, it will enter the confirmation ID, and in the new status, it will select the status as completed. And once the status is selected as completed, it will click on the update work items and our process will be done for one vendor. This process will be repeated until all the vendors completed the process. Now let me show you that folder where bot has downloaded all the data for all the vendors. So this is vendors data where bot has created unique folder for each vendor. And in this folder, you can see the multiple reports which we had downloaded from ACME page. And this is the master Excel where bot has merged all data in this Excel. Let me show you that folder where bot has scrapped all the data from all the pages and stored in this Excel, which we used as input file. So this is the file where bot has stored all the data and this data has used for this process. Thank you and hope you like this video. You can download my code from the GitHub, the link already given in description. And if is there any suggestions and improvement, please do comment on this video. Thank you so much.